Hi there, I'm Alex from Hammer Missions, and in this tutorial we will be looking at volumetric measurements. So as you can see on our screen here, we already have our 3D map up with our camera shots on it. So we can have a quick scroll around that. And for volumetrics, I think we'll probably need to turn the cameras off, which is done with this icon here. Select that, and then we're going to zoom in. So there we are, there's our warehouse. I believe it's a warehouse. And we have lots of things that we can measure. So first option would be, let's flatten the map out, and we're going to select an area to map volumetrically. So we do that by selecting our volumetric measurement icon, which is up here in the right hand corner. So we select that. And then I think we're going to measure this area here. So we select the area to measure. And we press our blue tick. And that will calculate the measurement. Sometimes can take a little while. So we'll just leave that. And there you go. 392.48. And to give you a little idea of depth, if we scroll down, you can actually see it defines the height as well. So it gives a correct 3D measurement. So let's try another area. Let's go for this area just here. So we'll go on the top. We'll select our volumetric measurement tool. And we'll select the area we want to measure. Press our tick. Wait for that to calculate. And there you go, 84.61. And again, if we come down here, it gives you your height definition. So you can tell it's actually measuring the entire volume. And we'll do one more over here in this area. Again, select our volumetric measurement tool. Let's say we want to measure this area here. We select our area. Press our green tick, or you can press return on the keyboard. And then we wait for the measurement to be calculated. .33. We can scroll around that, and you can see again it defines the height. So once you have your volumetric measurements, if you want to remove those volumetric measurements, same as standard measurements, which are these, you select your delete icon, and you can just remove those measurements. And there you go. That's how you use volumetric measurements on Hammer Missions. Thanks very much for watching.